right, back here on John's 88 Vet, we have our lower intake plenum down and installed with new gaskets. I took and put our beads of silicone across the front and rear like we're supposed to. And then each one of our intake bolts here has liquid Teflon on it, so it is nice and sealed. We won't have any little vacuum leaks around the threads. Got that all down, situated, and torqued. And I have our gaskets for our runners in their positions, ready to go. We can get ready to start doing that in a moment. Next, though, I'm going to get all of our sensors for up here installed and situated. Start hooking that up.